Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today market trade recap for April 14, 2020. So as you can see that overall market, we still try to push it back up after the whole month it's going down. So if you look at the today trend, the market is still trending up. So every time they pull back, the people will continue to push it higher. So you can see that at overnight, the market coming down. After 6 o'clock, they pull it back up. When the market open, they pull it back down, but they go right into the buy zone, and which is the support level of yesterday, and then they bow right back up until they run out of gas right here. They break a upper trend line here. So after get out of the my live trading room, and we go in, take a quick short, they push it back down, and then after they go back to the buy zone, and then they stabilize, they put it back up, come back down, give me a confirmation, I jump in, take another trade for long trade. So I'm done for the day. So the total net profit for today is $1,270.40. So this is, I didn't focus much on the day trading for the whole week because we focused on a lot of stock and option to buy. A lot of big brand name stock that they jump like crazy, like Netflix, Amazon, Tesla, T-Dog, they all in the uptrend. That's why you jump in, get more money on the swing trade. So that's the two method that we are teaching people in Stock Navigator. So if you know how to read the chart, understand how to draw the line, how to define sell zone, buy zone, you'll be able to trade, and you can take care of your financial market rather than you don't know, and then every time you have stock, the company give it to you from the company. You have 401k mutual fund, and you don't know how to manage yourself. Okay, it's very painful every time you see it. They drop 20, 200, 100% every single time. Really scary. So if you know it, you'll be able to move your asset to better investment and wait for the market to stabilize and go back in. So if you like what we're doing here for you every day, please check out the subscribe button below so that every time we have a new video, we will inform you. And if you want to learn more and understand about financial market, how to read the chart, how to define the the buy zone, sell zone by using a simple technical analysis, uh, please check our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.